Begin method, steps or rule. Formulate the problem. Formulate the mathematical model of the given linear programming problem. All the xbi is greater than 0. So if any xbi is less than 0, then multiply the corresponding constant by -1 to make xbi is greater than 0. So sign less than equal to changed to greater than equal to and vice versa. Convert LPP into standard form by adding slack, surplus and artificial variables for each constraint. In the objective function, assigned a 0 coefficient to slack and surplus variables. Then add -m for maximization case plus m for minimization case to the artificial variables. M is very large positive value. Step 2. Step 2. Find out the initial basic solutions. Find the initial basic feasible solution by setting 0 value to the decision variables that are shown in the example. Test for optimality. Calculate the values of Cj minus Zj, that is delta j, in the last row of the simplex table. For maximization case, if all Cj minus Zj is less than equal to 0, the current basic feasible solution is the optimal solution. In Cj minus Zj is greater than 0, then select the variable that has the largest Cj minus Zj and enter these variables into the new table. This column is called key column or pivot column. For minimization case, if all the Cj minus Zj is greater than 0, the current basic feasible solution is the optimal solution. In Cj minus Zj is less than 0, then select the variable that has smallest Cj minus Zj and enter this variable into the new table. This column is called key column or pivot column. Test for feasibility. Step 4. Variable to leave the basis. Find the ratio by dividing the variables of xb column by the positive value of the key column by pivot column by entering column. Say aij is greater than 0. Find the minimum ratio and this row is called key row or pivot row and corresponding variable will leave the solution. The intersection element of a key row and the key column is called key element or pivot element. Step 5. Determine the new solution. The values of a key row can be obtained by the dividing the key row elements by pivot element. That is, example, row 1, that is new, is equal to row 1 old divided by 3. The number in the remaining row can be computed by utilizing the following formula. Row new is equal to row old minus value of key column and row old into key row new. That is example, row 2 changes to new, row 2 minus twice of row 1. Just like this is the elementary operation concept. Repeat the procedure, go to the step 3 and repeat the procedure until all the values of Cj minus Zj is less than equal to 0. For maximization case, for Cj minus Zj is greater than 0 for minimization case. Introduction. What is BigM method? BigM method is a method for solving linear programming problem. It is a variation of a simplex method designed for solving typically encompassing greater than constraint as well as less than constraint, where the zero vector is not a feasible solution. The BigM refers to large number associated with the artificial variables, which is represented by the letter M. Drawbacks. If optimal solution has any artificial variables with non-zero variable value, original problem is infeasible. Our drawbacks of BigM method: how large should M be? If M is too large, serious numerical difficulty in the computer. BigM method is inferior than two-phase method. Here feasibility is not known until optimality. Important points to remember: solve the modified LPP by simplex method until any one of three cases may arise. If no artificial variable appears in the basis, the optimality conditions are satisfied. If at least one artificial variable in the basis at zero level, the optimality condition is satisfied. If at least one artificial variable appears in the basis at the positive level and the optimality condition is satisfied, then the original problem has no feasible solution. It may arise three cases. Analysis of BigM methods. Solve a PM for a very large positive M. Optimal is finite, optimal is unbounded. If S is equal to 0, optimal solution of a P is found. S is not equal to 0, P has no feasible solution. Then optimal is unbounded, that is S is equal to 0, optimal solution of a P is unbounded. S is not equal to 0, then P is infeasible. This never used in a commercial course. Conclusion. The application of the BigM technique requires that M approaches infinite but no computerize the solution algorithm. M must be finite while be sufficiently large. The pitfall in this case is, however, if M is too large, it can lead to substantial round of error yielding an incorrect optimal solution. For this reason, most commercial LPP solvers do not apply in the BigM methods, but use rather in the artificial variable method called two-phase method. Problem P is there, that is minimize C, Z is equal to Cx, subject to Ax is equal to B, X is greater than equal to 0. Problem P, minimization problem, Cx Ms, subject to Ax plus S is equal to B, X S is greater than equal to S is of artificial variables. Take the example. Maximize Z is equal to x1 plus 5x2, subject to 4x1 plus 4x2 less than 6, equal x1 plus 3x2 is greater than equal to 2, x1 x2 is greater than 0. Solution. Introducing slack and surplus variable, that is 4x1 plus 4x2 plus s1 equal to 0, x1 plus 3x2 minus s2 equal to 2, where s1 is slack variable, s2 is surplus variable. The surplus variable s2 represent the extra unit. So now, if we let x1 and x2 equal to 0 in the initial solution, we will have s1 is equal to 6 and s2 is equal to minus 2, which is not possible because surplus variable cannot be negative. Therefore, we need artificial variables. Introducing an artificial variable, say a1. Now take standard form. Maximize z is equal to x1 5x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2, okay, minus m into a1, subject to the constant 4x1 plus 4x2 plus s1 equal to 6. Now x1 plus 3x2 minus s2 plus a1 is equal to 2, and x1, x2, s1, s2, a1 is greater than is equal to 0. Now take the table. Table here, basic variables CB, XB, x1, x2, okay, s1, s2, a1. Here CJ 1, cost value 1, 5, 0, 0 and minus m. So that is the mean ratio. Now that is here B, that is s1 and a1. That is the basic variables. Here CB cost value 0 minus m. That is 6, 4, 4, 1, 0, 0. That is 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, okay, 1, 0 minus 1, 1. Now you have to find out the ZJ. ZJ, that is CJ minus ZJ. You have to find out first. That is the first here, find here, that is the minus m is there. Here ZJ is equal to minus m and ZJ is equal to minus 3m. ZJ is equal to 0. Then ZJ is equal to m. ZJ is equal to minus m. How? That is the here this into this 0 minus m into 1, that is equal to minus m. So that's why ZJ. And CJ minus ZJ, that is ZJ, CJ is equal to 1 minus m, that is m plus 1. Similarly, this is 0 into 4, that plus minus m into 3, that is minus 3m. Here ZJ. CJ minus ZJ, that is equal to CJ, that is equal to 5 minus ZJ, that is 3m plus 5. Similarly, this is 0 into 1, 0, minus m into 0, that is 0. So ZJ is 0. So 0 minus 0, that is CJ minus Z, that is also 0. Here 0 into this is equal to 0, 0. That is minus m into that is minus 1, that is m. That is ZJ is equal to m comes. So now CJ minus ZJ is equal to m, 0 minus m, that is equal to minus m comes. Similarly, that is 0 into that is a1, that is 0, that is 0, plus minus m into 1, that is minus m, that is ZJ. CJ minus ZJ, that is equal to minus m minus of minus m, that is equal to plus 0. So that here entering x2, entering variable is x2. Why? That is x2 is that is the minimum value, that is 3m plus 5 is the largest value, which is entering into the variables. So departing, that is a1. How departing is a1? So that's why here ratio is minimum ratio is equal to 0 by 4, that is 0, minus m by 3, that is equal to minus m by 3. So that's why the ratio comes. What the ratio? The ratio comes, that is CB 6 by 4, that is 6 by 4 एक है, 2 by 3 एक होगा. So that's why 3 by 2, 6 by 4 जे, और that is 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Which is minimum? That is 2 by 3 is minimum. 2 by 3 is minimum. So A1 is leaving the matrix. So that's why row 2, that is changes. So row 2 changes. This is entering into the, this is entering into the matrix. This is outgoing matrix, man, that is leaving the matrix. This is leaving the matrix. So now that is the intersecting point is this is the intersecting pivot element. This pivot element making 1. So how? That is the root 2 changes. This is the root 2 changes to root 2 that world divided by 3. It forms as 1. So that if it is 1, then what the row 1 making 0, row 1 making 0. That's why row 1 minus 4 into row 2 new. Okay, that is the format. So by taking this logic, we have to find out the table. Now that is the S1 and X2. That is entering. So that is CB05. So now this is divided by 3. This is 10 by 3. This is 8 by 3 according to that the logic. That is 0, 1. That is 4 by 3. Similarly, this is the minus 4 by 3. This value it comes. This is 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1, 0, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3, it comes. So now Zj is equal to this into this, 5 into that 5 by 3. So Cj minus Zj 1 minus 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Similarly 0 into 0, that is 5 into 1 5, 5 minus 5 equal to 0, that is Zj is equal to 5. Similarly 1 into 0, that is 0 into 0, this value is 0, Cj minus Zj is 0. Similarly 0 into 4 by 3, that is 0, 5 into that is minus 5 by 3, so 0 minus 5, 5 by 3. So now similarly A1, that is minus 4 by 3 into 0, 0, 1 by 3 into 5, the 5 by 3. So minus 5 minus 5 by 3, that is the result. So now entering is the S2. Why entering is the S2? That is the maximum value is the S2 is the maximum value, so that's why it is entering into, and departing or leaving the, that is the how leaving, that's you check it. That is 5 by minus, that is negative value we cannot check. So 0 by this is the 0 value which comes. So which is 0 is 10 by 3 divided by 4 by 3, which value comes to 5 by 2. Now 2 by 3, that is a minus 1 by 3, the negative, we cannot take that. So this is a leaving vector. This is the leaving vector. Leaving vector is what? That is the S1 is the leaving vector. And the key that is 4 by 3 is the key, that is this is entering, this is the intersecting point, that is the pivot element, that is key element. Now row 1 new is equal to row old by 4 by 3 means because it makes as a 1. So now row 2 new is equal to row 2 old plus 1 by 3 row 1. So for making 0, this 0 banaya pai eta method. So by taking this logic, you do the next table. So this is basic variable CB xb, then Cj 1500, okay, minus m x1 x2 s1 s2 etc. variable. That's why this is 1. Now value comes, that is why this 5 by 2 2 0, 3 by 4 1 minus 1. See, that is 3 by 2 1 1, 1 by 4 0 0. Okay, so that is Zj is equal to 5 5 5 by 4 0. Here Cj minus Z is minus 4 0 minus 5 by 4, all is negative. So that's why optimum solution is arrived at the value of variables. Here x1 equal to 0. How? Here x1 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to, that is x2 is equal to kitna? Now x2 is equal to 3 by 2, here given that is the 3 by 2, and x1 value is not there, so that's x1 equal to 0, and maximized value is equal to what? That is equal to maximum value this into this plus this into this, that is equal to 15 by 3. That's why ZB into CB, which is equal to 15 by 3, which is the maximized value. Thank you. Please subscribe and share, like it.